Hello guys, hope you are well. In this video you can see how we can make a refrigeration cooling system by using Peltier module with power supply and aluminium water blocks like that. So I hope you will enjoy the video. So let's start the video. In this project we need some aluminium blocks and fins with the fan and some aluminium water blocks, temperature sensor, water motor, glue gun, and some the Peltier modules and power supply. I am using 12 volt 33 ampere power supply. You can use 25 ampere, 20 amperes, or anything. So some Peltier modules I am using 12715 tech 1 module. First you need to understand the Peltier module. Peltier module basically is the semiconductor. uh, One side is cool and other side is hot. If you cool the hot side using fins, aluminium, or water block, if you cool down the hot side of the Peltier module, then you can get a minimum temperature on cooled side. So assemble these with aluminium blocks and aluminium water blocks. So we will put coal side on this, and I am using 4 aluminium Peltier modules. So use like that, put it down like that, and before assembling you need to put heat sink paste, also called it thermal paste. Put it on both sides of the Peltier module. And here is the final assembly. You can use any bowls for waters. We will dip our DC motor into water to circulate the water on hot side. Put a pipe on both sides of the aluminium water block like that. And you can put a clip on it. I put a clip on both sides. Now we will connect a motor with this pipe, any pipe. The side where you will connect a pipe with motor is inside of our water in aluminium water block. So put this motor in water. I put this motor in water and connect this motor also with 12 volt DC. चलने दो. Now you can see the room temperature is 34.2. So I am going to power on the Peltier modules and motor. So we will see how much time required to minimize the temperature as much as possible. So I will use a stopwatch option for this purpose. So let's start. So power on the modules. So I am going to power on the modules and motor. So you can see the water is circulating on hot side. And we will measure the temperature on cold side. Our room temperature is 32, 33 and you can see the temperature is going down. We will also use stopwatch, how much time it will take to. We will obtain a minimum temperature. You can see how fast the temperature is going down. you can see the temperature is going down gradually. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and share my channel for further videos. Take care. Goodbye.